Today we have here one of my watches from my collection. This is a Bulova automatic that I purchased, I believe it was in 2012. As you can see, it's got a sweep second hand. You can see the balance wheel moving back and forth, the pallet fork moving. That is the timekeeping device right there, the balance wheel. Automatic 21 joule movement. As you can see the winding rotor right there. It's powered by gravitational discrepancies, if you will. Or I should say gravitational pull. Yep. So far, it's been holding up pretty well. It's definitely overdue for a maintenance. About every 5 to 10 years, you need to get these things taken to a watchmaker to have them disassembled, cleaned, and oiled. Otherwise, it can get pretty expensive to have the movement overhauled. Really nice watch. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.